Exercise 2.1 diameters of different circles. Second summa, diameter of different circles are given below. So find the circumference. So I already told if they given a diameter, if they are asking circumference means you can use this formula. Okay, directly you can find it. So circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to pi d units, right? So first one is 70 centimeter. Pi is what they already given in your question, 22 by 7. What's the d? 70. So what they given? Centimeter. So cancel this. How many time? 10 time. So 22 into 10 centimeters. How many time multiply this? 220 centimeter. The same for second sum. D is equal to 56 meter. So C, what is the formula? Circumference of circle. Formula as it is C equal to pi D. What's the pi? 22 by 7. What's the D? 56. Unit is here meter. So in 7 table how many time it will move? 8 time. So 22 into 8 meter. So 8 2s are 16. Balance 1. 16, so 17 meter. Okay, so D equal to 28. You will try this sum. Okay, then third question. Find the circumference of the circle whose radius. Whose radii means radius. Okay, so they given the radius. So find out the circumference. So first one, what they given? Radius R equal to 49 centimeter. My third question. So what they asking? C. So C is equal to, what's the formula? You having a R. So which formula? 2 pi R unit. They given radius means 2 pi R. If they given diameter D means use this formula. That's it. Okay. So the majorly we are using this formula. Okay, in higher classes we are using this formula. So for a difference only I mentioned this. So 2 into, what is the pi value? 22 by 7. What is the R value? 49. What's the unit? Centimeter. So anything is cancelled? Yeah, 49 for 7 time. 2 into 22 into 7. So what? 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 7. 7 4s are 28. So 2. 7 4s are 28. So 30. So 308 centimeter. So you will try the second sum. We will move to the fourth sum. The diameter of a circular well. Okay, the diameter of the circular well is B is 4.2 meter. Okay, what circumference? They given the diameter ma. Okay, diameter. So D is equal to 4.2 meter. What they asking? Circumference. So circumference of the circle. They already mentioned the well is what? Circular well. We are having a circular well. So obviously it should be circle. So what we are having? Circumference formula is pi d, because they mention a diameter. So d unit. So C is equal to 22 by 7. We already know pi means 22 by 7. This is what? 4.2 meter. But in this place, what we are having? 4.2. We already know 42. 7, 6 are 42 we know. But we are having a point. So you cancel. So 6 are. So we are having a point. After one digit, right? So before put a point. So 0.6. Okay. So 22 into 0.6 meter. So 22 into 6. How much? 12 balance 1. 13. So 132 meter. So how many points? 1 points. So 1 digit. So 13.2 meter. Are you clear how I am writing? So C is equal to 13.2 meter. How I am writing? Okay. because they are asking what is the circumference. So circumference is 13.2 meter. Then the diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. So wheel we already know that should be circle in shape, whose diameter is a 1 point. Diameter, I was specifically telling diameter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotation. How many rotation they are asking. If you are having a 150 rotation, how much it will cover. So circumference means your surrounding, right? So how much it cover. Find out the answer, multiply with that C into that value. So what a value? So diameter of the bullock cart wheel equal to 1.4 meter. If you know what is your outer layer only, I can tell how much means 150 rotation. Covered by it in 150 rotation. So how many round we need? They are asking. So I can write C. First I need a circumference. C equal to, we are having a D, so pi D unit. So C is equal to 22 by 7. We know pi means 22 by 7. D means 1.4 meter. So I can cancel. I already told, right? Cancel. So 14. Normally I can tell 14. So 2. So what you having points? So 1 point. So 0.2. So 22.0. Sorry. To 0.2 meter. So C is equal to how much? 44, right? But 1 point. So 4.4 meter. So I am having a diameter 1.4 meter. So 1.4 meter means whose outer layer is 4.4 meter. Find the distance covered by in it 150 rotation. So we are having a speed is a 150 rotation. So how much distance is covered? They are asking. So I can multiply this term into that term. So distance. So what they mention, find the distance covered by in 150 rotation. But I don't know how much for one rotation they mention. So we are having a one wheel, right? So from that cart wheel, what you are getting? 1.4 meter. So diameter specifically we are taking. So we need a 150 rotation. So what is the one wheel rotation? Means one rotation. From this. So what? So distance covered by one wheel is covered by one rotation. How much? Circumference. So one rotation means 4.4 meter. But how much rotation we need? 150 rotation we need. So distance covered by 150 rotation means, if I need a 1 chocolate means 5 into 1 chocolate. If I need a 5 chocolate means one chocolate is 5 rupees means what we did? 1 chocolate into 5 rupees means I am putting a 5 rupees. If I need a 5 chocolates, I need a 5 chocolate for how much amount? 5 rupees chocolate for 5 means 25 rupees. The same thing. One rotation I am having a 4.4 meter. 150 rotation for 4 meter. So how much it will come? That's the question. So 150 into 44. Later we will put a point. So 0, 20, so 2, 4, 6. Again the same number, right? So I can copy down as it is 0, 6, 6. So how many point? 1 point. So 660 points meter. Okay, so 150 rotation means how much? Therefore, so the distance, therefore distance covered by 150 rotation equal to 660 meter. No need to put a point after putting a 0. Okay, after putting a point, no need to put a 0. We already know about these rules, right? So then sixth question. A ground is in the form of circle whose diameter is 350 meter. An athlete makes 4 revolutions. Okay, means 4 rounds. Find the distance covered by the athlete. So what they mention, the ground level is 350 meter. How many times they are going to revolute? How many times they are going to mean surrounding the ground? 4 times. Okay, so how much it made? So first I'm going to find out outer layer. Okay, circumference. So my diameter of ground, diameter of the ground equal to 350 meter. So distance covered by, so nothing, distance covered by one revolution equal to circumference. Correct? Okay, the same as it is before sum. So one revolution for equal to circumference means one rotation as it is. So what is the formula? We are having a diameter. So circumference 5d unit. Substitute in this place. Pi is 22 by 7 into what is your d? 350 meter. So I can cancel in this place 35 for 5 times 0 as it is. So 22 into 50 meter. Okay. So 5 into 0 as it is, you can put 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. So 11 meter. So we already know you can directly put this 0. So multiply with 5 means what? 1. 10 we are having. So finally you are putting a 0. That's it. Okay. Don't confuse about this. So one revolution is 1100 meter. So, but 4 revolution means how much? So the distance covered by 4 revolution equal to, I already told, right? One chocolate means one chocolate for 5 rupees means 1 into 5. 5 chocolate means 5 into 5. 4 chocolate means 4 into 5. So I need a 4 revolution means 4 into that revolution. How much? So 0 0 4 4. Are you clear? 4400 meter for 4 revolution. For athlete are rounded for how much? 4400 meters. Then 7th question. The wire of a length 1320 centimeter is made into a circular frames. We already know, right? The frames are rotating like this, of whose radius is 7 centimeter each. So how many frames can be found? So what they given? Length of the, so they given the total frame, the length of the wire, length of your wire equal to 320 centimeter. So for example, you are getting a mark. I am conducting an exam for 50 means how much you are getting? So somebody got an 49, somebody got a like that, right? That's only they are taking. Okay. So totally we are having like this. So radius, whose radius is 7 centimeter. So circular frame radius is a 7. So each having the same, they are particularly mentioned. Okay, 7 centimeter each and every frame is having a radius is same. So I need a circumference. So I know, so one layer of the circumference only, I can find out my how many frames I can make. Okay. So circumference formula. What is circumference formula in this place? 2 pi, because you're having a r units. What is a pi value? 22/7. You should know about this. Okay. This is a mathematical term. So what is your r? 7 centimeter. You should put a centimeter, otherwise you should put a units. This and this cancel. So 22 into 2 centimeter. You confused to write. It's also correct. So 44 centimeter. What is the circumference? So the length of, so what your circumference? So one circumference is this. So we need a number of frame. Okay. So number of frames equal to length of the wire, length of a wire by circumference. So for example, we are having a cloth like this. I know this is 1320 centimeter. Okay, I am having a cloth like this. So I want to separate 44 parts for this cloth. So how can I? By using the division, by using the cutting. In mathematically, how can tell? By using the division. That's only the length of the wire. Because this is a bigger. From bigger to, you are getting a smaller part, right? That's why. So 1320 by 44. So how much it will move? 1320. So 44. So 44. So otherwise you can directly cancel in 2 table 2 2. This is 12 for 6. Again 12 6 0. Again 2 3 3 0. 11 table 11. So 3 0. So what's the value? 30. Are you clear? So 30 centimeters. So number of frame, sorry, they're asking number of frame, right? So number of frame, 30 frame. Therefore, number of frames equal to 30. So how much we can do? They're asking. This much wire they given. So how much I can do? That's only they asking. A rose garden is in the form of circular of radius 63 meter. Rose garden is like a circular form whose radius is 63 meter. The gardener want to furnish it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. So we are so this is circular garden. Okay. So fully. So radius means half of. So fully. So half of the part what they mention. It means radius, right? So 63 meters. The rows are cultivated in this place. Okay. So gardener what they mention. So I can give 1 meter. 1 meter for rupees 150. Okay. 1 meter rows for rupees 150. Are you clear? That's only it. So what is the cost of the Frenching? So 1 meter we are getting a 150, but we are having a 63 meter, right? So first of all I am going to find out what is my total number of the surrounding. I know my radius, but how much my flowers are there? I don't know, right? The surrounding, because I am having 63 meter radius. I know this part only. So circular means this full part I know only. I can measure how much I am earning. Okay. So what they mention, the radius of the circular garden equal to 63 meter. But in this place I am having a radius, so circumference If I know my surrounding, only I can find out. So 2 pi r unit. 2 into 22 by 7 into 63 meter. So this and this, how much I can do in 9 times. So 2 into 24, 44 into 9 meter. 44 means 9 fours are 36. So 3. Again 9 for 36, so 39. So this much I can okay. So therefore the cost of the 1 meter equal to rupees 150. Okay, but how much we are having, how many meter we are having, the place 396 meter. The cost of 396 meter equal to 396 into 150 rupees. So 396 15 so 30, so 3 4 is 8 and 45 48, so 4 15 plus 4 19 693 18 19 5940, one more 0. Okay, this much rupees you are getting, ma. Okay.